My name is Mark Trezia. I'm the chief resident at Coney Island Hospital, and I am originally from Glendale, California. I was able to go to all the workshops. They were all set up great. Gives us an opportunity to learn about new products. Gives us an opportunity to actually review, and if you've forgotten about certain products. And this year, actually, we learned even changes that are made to the products for the companies, which is a big thing for us because there's physicians and surgeons that are practicing, and if they're using something continuously and certain things are tweaked, then I'm assuming it's for the better because that was done by the company. So by learning from them, it's something that we can reflect on our own practices.